Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel motorvibe_110. The 2025 model of the F-22 Raptor has arrived, and though it may look familiar at first glance, this aircraft represents a subtle but powerful leap into the future of air dominance. Designed initially to ensure American air superiority well into the 21st century, the F-22 remains unmatched in its blend of stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness. And with the upgrades introduced in this latest iteration, the Raptor is not just surviving, it's evolving. Let's start with the core. The airframe remains largely the same, but the internals have seen significant improvements. The 2025 F-22 now incorporates next-gen mission systems borrowed from the NGAD program. That includes enhanced sensor fusion, advanced radar-absorbing materials, and improved electronic warfare capabilities. Essentially, the Raptor can now detect threats faster, jam signals more effectively, and operate deeper in contested environments than ever before. Under the hood, the Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines haven't changed in appearance, but their software and control systems have. With a more refined thrust vectoring system and adaptive power management, pilots have better fuel economy and extended loitering time without compromising performance. The result? A fighter jet that's still capable of supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners, but now with better endurance. The cockpit has also undergone a digital transformation. Gone are the traditional analog systems. Instead, pilots now work with a panoramic touchscreen display, similar to what's been seen in the F-35. This interface provides real-time data sharing, intuitive control layouts, and even AI-assisted decision support. Imagine flying at Mach 1.5, tracking multiple enemy aircraft, coordinating with drones, and still having bandwidth to plan the next move. That's what the new systems aim to deliver. Speaking of drones, the 2025 Raptor is now fully compatible with loyal wingman platforms. Through secure data links and AI-enhanced control, a single Raptor can now direct multiple autonomous or semi-autonomous drones to scout, jam, or even engage targets. This massively increases the Raptor's tactical footprint without risking the pilot's life. Stealth remains the name of the game, and the F-22's already low radar signature has been improved. The new RAM coatings are easier to maintain, more durable, and offer better performance across a wider range of radar frequencies. Combined with updated shape optimization, the 2025 Raptor is harder to detect than ever, even by the most advanced enemy radar systems. Armament hasn't been left behind either. While it retains its internal base for stealth operations, the weapons systems now include next-generation AIM-260 missiles, boasting longer range and smarter targeting. The Raptor can also deploy precision-guided bombs and even new cyber-enabled payloads, tools that can disable or disrupt enemy electronics before the first missile is ever fired. The upgraded avionics are where things really get interesting. The Raptor's AN/APG-77 radar has been pushed to new limits with software upgrades, now featuring longer range, better resolution, and multi-function capabilities, including electronic attack. Combined with the distributed aperture system, the pilot now has a near-complete 360-degree view of the battlespace, including tracking ground and air threats simultaneously. On the logistics side, the 2025 Raptor includes predictive maintenance capabilities. Using onboard diagnostics and ground-based AI analysis, the jet can now flag components for servicing before they fail, drastically reducing downtime and improving mission readiness rates. But with all these updates, the soul of the Raptor remains. It's still a pilot's aircraft, fast, nimble, and lethal. It still dominates in a dogfight and still punches through enemy airspace before they even know it's coming. What's changed is how much smarter and more connected it's become. It's not just a fighter jet anymore, it's the central node of an airborne battle network. For years, some critics said the F-22 program was a relic, a Cold War-era solution to modern threats. But with the 2025 upgrades, the Raptor has firmly re-established itself not just as relevant, but essential. It bridges the present and the future of aerial warfare, integrating today's technology with yesterday's legendary airframe. As geopolitical tensions rise and the skies become more contested, the F-22 continues to provide that critical edge. Not because of nostalgia, but because it works. And now, it works better than ever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights into the world's most advanced military tech.
Thanks for watching.